What, Griffin? Hey guys, it's drizzling a little bit this morning, but a little bit of rain will not stop us. And here's our pretty new girl. Hey, pretty girl. Already a game of tug of war this morning. Already a game of tug of war. Murray, you getting in on the action? No? Izen and Minnie are having a ball. And Izzy, the little black one, we call her Izzy, but it's short for Izen. She is actually up for adoption through Friends of Bark. Awesome dog, plays with everybody, housebroken. I mean, just an awesome dog all the way around. And then we have everybody else over here giving Murray love because he's the handsome man. And the little husky, she's our new girl. She's from Husky Haven. She was adopted 2 weeks ago, and she's awesome. And of course Griffin, he's a goofball. He's the goofy, handsome boy of the group. And Murray's tall, dark, and handsome. Oh, did you bring me something, Izen? Did you bring me something, Goofy?